ang score natin 28 points para sa team single and 29 points para sa Gimme 1. Close na close pa. So it's anybody's ball game. So punta naman tayo ngayon sa game number 4 which is called High Profile. Members of each team gets to pick a name from the box provided. They must describe that person to their fellow members. Their team members will then guess the correct answer. Each team will be given 3 minutes to guess a total of 12 items. Each correct answer is equivalent to 2 points. We will start off with you guys since kayo ang natalo sa ating last game. Neil over here, on my go ha, wag muna bumunot. Okay? 3 minutes, 12 items, high profile, 3, 2, 1, go. Number 3.
Johan Erich.
Correct, next. 5.
Si Bagito.
Nash.
Kompleto guys.
Nash Aguas.
Correct, next. 22.
Hindi ko alam.
Pass. Kylie Jenner. Next.
Kapatid nila, Kendall.
11.
Newscaster siya sa TV Patrol na sexy siya and
Karina Bernadette Zambrano.
Ted Pailon.
hindi. Babae.
Ganda no.
Babae. Oo. Star Magic artist din siya.
Number 11.
Iglesia Pulido.
Correct, next. Very good.
Hindi ko narinig yung babae kasi.
8.
Kapatid ni Jasmine.
Andre.
Correct, very good.
Wala. Oh my gosh, Princess Diaries.
Anne Hathaway.
Next, John. Very good. Galing.
Go Jan. Hindi ko alam yung mga pangalan ko na English.
Tapos, pass.
Sige, go.
Pass, Charlie Puth. Kumanta na correct. See you again.
See you again.
Go.
14.
Pass.
Pass, Jake Gyllenhaal. Number 1.
Tatay ni Diego.
Settlement.
Correct. Very good. Ella, last round.
I can feel my face when I'm with you.
The Weeknd.
Correct. Next, John.
Go,
Last
John.
2 items.
Good one.
Para sa akin lahat ng pass ha.
Yan. Oh. Number 9.
Kapartner ni Inigo Pascual.
Julia Barreto.
Bye.
Andres.
Next, that is right.
May scope.
12.
Kung hindi alam.
Volleyball player.
Gretchen Hall.
Leo.
Eliza Valdez.
Correct. That is right. Tama na. Last na yun. So they got 18 points. 9 out of 12 items. Not bad. 75% ang kanilang passing rate. Saktong-sakto talaga. Team single, kaya talunin ng 9 items. Okay, Luigi over here. Guys.
Kylie Jenner.
3 minutes. 3 minutes, 12 items. Team single, 3, 2, 1, go.
Because I'm all about that bass.
Nicki Minaj.
I'm all about the bass.
Correct. Next, very good. Megan Trainor. 15.
Baby.
Next. Oy, walang action sa describe lang dapat. 6.
Kapartner ni Grace Poe sa election. Vice President.
Fernand.
Party Evangelista. Asa,
Correct. Next. Pasok. 72.
Pass, sorry.
17. Harry Styles. Of 1D.
I don't like
Shake fries.
Good job. Chicken fries pa talaga ginamit mo. 7.
Ito siya sa cast ng Nathaniel. Babae, going bulilit. Ano siya? Same siya ng... yan.
Si Luigi, ha?
Magpatay ka na, Faye.
Patay ka na. Nakikita mo mamatay.
Charlene San Pedro. 20.
Bag. May bag siya. Ay, ako ba yan?
Ano?
Tabak ng bag.
Prada.
Gucci.
Babango.
Dior.
Madami.
Describe mo pa siya.
Artista siya,
Philippines?
Kala Philippines. International.
Chanel,
Iman.
Ano?
May performance siya,
Pwede mag-pass, ha?
Paris Hilton?
Yan.
Paris Hilton. Go.
Gusto yan. 21.
Love on top.
Beyonce. Luigi. He's a rapper from the States.
Oh.
Chris Brown.
Yeah.
Correct. And he was more, please.
Provinciano.
Coco Martin.
Yes.
Wow. Galing, guys, ha? Last two.
Kapatid ni Inigo.
Sofia Andres. Villanueva.
Correct. Last one, Shay. 3, 4.
Nagpakalbo siya dati, na-depress.
Yun. Galing! Galing! Sige! So, they got 20 points for this one. Very good. 10 correct items. So, I think, lumabang na kayo yata ng 1 point. So, ang score natin, 48 for team single and 47 para naman sa Gimme 1. Maganda magiging bakbakan natin for the last game. Game number 5 coming up on Mix